Boys, this is my new music, this is my new album. Don't forget to check it out right now. Subscribe my YouTube right now. And let's enjoy all the moment. Girl, you got sapphire, and you got emerald for the diamond eyes. Cover this night beautiful because I just lay back with famous in this. I got all the fancy things around me. I got all the fancy things, all the new brand design, limited edition, confirm semua barang tu premium. Dia switch tak cuba tukar gelang, dia switch cuba nak tukar gelang. Setiap kali every time aku mula pandang, dia cuba tukar gelang. Every time I step, dia cuba pandang. Aku cuba buat high rise, dia cuba tukar gelang. Every time nampak fancy, sebab hidup dia macam fancy drip. Hidup dia macam fancy dream. Look at aesthetics, the STQ, yeah. I got all the seal house, macam dekat guest house. Tryna hang out dengan same girl dekat party, dia masih tukar gelang. Yeah, yeah. Hidup lifestyle city show like macam light show. Warna-warni every time dia cuba tukar warna gelap jadi warna pelangi, yeah. Warna-warni dia cuba tukar gelang. Like every time I see shining fancy through my eyes, shining diamond like a diamond in the sky. Dia cuba tukar gelang. Start aku mula pandang fancy, nampak sexy. Confirm bukan kelas B tapi kelas A, straight to the point. Memang kau yang paling sexy, yeah. Dia cuba tukar gelang, switch aku fancy things. Nampak barang semua limited into edition. I got all the brand that pull up my attention. Gamma higher daripada education. Don't stop this population. I got this, yeah, explanation. Just no explanation, we got an explosion. Boom. Dia cuba tukar gelang, switch orang cuba pandang. Flash dekat depan mata, dia cuba tukar gelang. Pakai cermin mata hitam, dia tukar gelang. Fancy, shining to my eyes, classic. Daripada hidup dia feel like macam worldwide. From the overseas to Malaysia, girl so hot bila dia tukar gelang.